I'm Nikki, Neff Ambassador, and today I'm going to talk to you about CircoTherm. CircoTherm is Neff's patented fan technology. It cooks using hot air, first drawing air in from the oven using the fan, then heating it up and forcing the air back out through the ducts on the back wall. It heats up all of the oven evenly, using minimal energy. The hot air wraps around the shelves and flows around the food. This seals the surfaces of the food, keeping in the moisture and the flavours, so you can cook different foods on different shelves at the same time with no mingling of flavours. The hot air will ensure a lovely golden finish for roasts, fish and cakes. Because the CircoTherm technology is so efficient, you'll find that you need to cook at a slightly lower temperature than other ovens. Neff have got a handy temperature chart to easily convert the temperature. This link will be included with the video. This Asian baked salmon, cooked in the oven at the same time as a tray of pistachio and rose baked donuts, is a perfect example of cooking two courses at the same time with no flavour transfer.